uJones noseshiya eqenjini uma kuphela imidlalo yendebe yomhlaba njengoba seyoba yiphini lomqeqeshi weNgilandi uthi umuzwa uphezulu ngalomdlalo.
Hugely excited, high level of focus, everyone want to get their, I suppose, their detail down early in the week and then concentrate on delivering a performance and enjoying it.
Uphinde wabalula ukuthi amabhokobhoko ayebuthaka uma kukhahlelwa kodwa into leyo abayilungisayo.
Bawulungele also put the ball in behind us very intelligently, so I think it was more of a reflection of the execution and the intensity which England brought to the party last week, and I think the conditions made things really tricky. I'm not sure if it showed on the TV, but the ball was extremely wet. It was lashing around, so yeah.
Umdlali wamabhokobhoko uWillie Rooks uthi lo mdlalo wamanqamu uzokwehluka kakhulu uma uqhathanisa nowango-2019.
I think for us being in the final was obviously special, but fighting through the quarterfinal and the semi-final was also special for us. But I think this is the one that's important. It's going to be a big match on Saturday, and we're really looking forward to that.
Lo mdlalo wamanqamu uzoba ngomgqibelo ebusuku eStade de France ngehora lesishagalolunye.